Started assembling my new CP22E VHF antenna with the help of my son. Unpacked all the components and inspected them. CP22E is a 2-element 5x8 lambda stacked ground plane antenna with 3 radials. Upper and lower sections are assembled with the phase coil in between. One end of the phase coil is solid while the other end is open. Solid part is attached to the lower section. All these are fastened using the screws provided in the kit. Mounting pipe bolts are removed to detach it from the base coil assembly. Coaxial cable with PL259 connector is passed through the mounting pipe and tightened onto the SO239 connector at the bottom of the base coil assembly. Mounting pipe is reattached to the base coil with the bolts. Radials are then fastened to the base coil assembly and the nuts tightened. Video clip showing all the components of the CP22E antenna unpacked. Mast brackets seen in this video clip are used to attach the mounting pipe to the antenna mast. Video clip of lower part of assembled CP22E VHF antenna with coaxial cable attached. 10 meters of coaxial cable with PL259 connectors at both ends seen soon after unpacking.